to all those who have dropped by. Today I will be sharing with you and specifically focusing on the beginners, 40, 50, 60 plus and over people who are planning to start their journey on YouTube platform, the social media. Now, some are not sure how to go about doing things in terms of what kind of equipment they should be utilizing. Well, let me share with you what needs to be done. You don't have to buy any kind of fancy schmancy equipment, whatever you have available at hand. For example, the phone that you're using right now, that serves the purpose. The lamps that you have in your home could be the backdrops, that serves your purpose. Circular light is one thing that I can also ask you to avoid. If you sit by your window, there's enough natural light, and there you go. I am close to my window and I get the natural light, although I do have a few lamps in the background of my camera. But I am trying to help you figure out how you can start right away without worrying too much about investment in your gadgets, in any kind of gizmo, cameras, camera stands, mics. So I will walk through with you a couple of things that I will recommend that you need to start right away with. Number one, your phone. Whatever kind of phone you have, whether it is Android, an iPhone, that's absolutely fine. I am using my Android, the A32 model. It's sufficing the moment. Someday down the road, I would probably upgrade my phone and get one with high resolution cameras that come with the phones now. But for now, all my videos, all my shorts, all my live streams are being done with this Android A42 model. So that's one thing. Go ahead and get rolling, get started. Now, to get the eye level photos or photography or recording, I would recommend that you either purchase a small stand or you can pile up your books. Currently, I'm recording by piling up my books on a small gimbal on top of my books where I have put my camera. It's working great for me. The mic I'm using is a Boya mic. It's got a transmitter at the base end of my phone. This is a lapel mic. I got two with the set I ordered. So these are very reasonable. This is one thing you may have to invest, but if you do not want to, you can still go ahead and start recording with your phone's mic directly, okay? And last but not the least, the light part. If you don't want to invest even a penny, sit by the window, like I am sitting by the window. However, all you've got to do is get rolling with all that is at hand for now. Make the best of what you have. Few months down the road, a couple of things that I would recommend you go ahead and purchase as you move forward, seeing if you can improve your recording or the voice, the timbre, your resolution, etc. Invest in a Boya mic, invest in a circular light as well, and maybe a small gimbal to put on top of a pile of books to get the right eye level recording. So there you have it. I mean, nothing much. And a PC or a laptop, if you have, that's fine. You can then download your recorded video and edit it on your PC and laptop. And if you don't have a PC or a laptop or a desktop, don't worry. You can directly upload your recorded video or shorts onto the YouTube Studio, which once you create your channel, you automatically will get a YouTube Studio connection directly with your YouTube platform and channel platform that you have created. And how to go about that is a different subject. First, start recording. One thing I would highly focus on is make sure whichever phone you're using and whatever time limit you're setting for your recording, that there is enough storage in your phone to handle that recorded video or shorts. Because when you're going to upload, you're going to first edit it, either by using some free editing tools that I recommended in a couple of my videos that I have posted on my channel. By the way, if you have come here for the first time to my channel, do like, subscribe, and share. It would be appreciated. And my channel's name is Pavan USA. Now, coming back to how to proceed. The equipments I shared are very basic, but do not invest in it if you don't feel the need. Just use your phone. That is the most important part. Just use that phone that you are using on a daily basis. Use its mic, use its recording, and one thing you will have to do is download YouTube Studio on your phone. Because once you have that app in place on your phone, you can then directly upload from your phone itself. How to make sure your phone does a good job uploading, that is for the next video. But so easy. Use your phone, upload it to the YouTube Studio application. What needs to be written, that's for the next studio. Now, any excuses for not starting? The only excuse we normally tend to have is that the fear. Will people like me? Do I know how to talk confidently? How will I look when I'm talking on a phone? What will people perceive of my looks, of my sense of dressing, my background? Don't care. Do not care. Just make it a presentable environment, area where you're sitting. Could have a blank wall at the back. Could have some pieces that I have put at the back of my wall. I'm a reader. I have my books. I have my side lamp, which I pick and put there for every recording. So nothing fancy. And a potted plant. Environment created. Right? But bring one thing to the table. As a 60 plus myself, make sure your purpose is clear. What you plan to come and do and share via this platform. YouTube is a social platform that gives you a place to share your voice through a relatable niche with your audience. And once you get rolling with your YouTube channel, how you proceed and progress to build a financial freedom is another story for another day, another strategy for another video. Although if you go to Pavan USA, my channel, I have already taken care of all these topics in my list of videos or in my playlist. Do check it out. Until then, have a wonderful day and do not be overwhelmed. Bring one kind of attitude to the table. Determination. Purpose to create videos and shorts should be clear. The mission for yourself, why you're doing it. What is the reason? What's the purpose? If that's clear in the mind, you're all set. You're all set. There's no stopping. Just have the chutzpah to be dedicated, consistent, and with an attitude that I can do it too. So on that note, have a wonderful day. Thank you for dropping by. This is Pavan from Pavan USA. Bye-bye.